Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm talking about markers in Shotcut. If you want to mark certain places on your timeline to come back to, such as where to place an arrow on your video, there is a marker function to do this. Simply place your cursor where you want the marker and click on the icon. The marker will appear above the time divisions. Right-clicking on a marker will give you a number of options, such as deleting or choosing a colour. There's also an edit option. This allows you to give the marker a name, which you'll see if you hover over it, change the colour and choose a start and end time. This will extend the marker to look like vampire teeth. Sorry, I meant a bracket. Now, carrying on from the last video about ripple all tracks, what happens if you want to delete something before the marker? You'll want it to move with what it relates to, so make sure that Ripple Markers is selected as well as Ripple All Tracks, which looks the same as the marker icon but with a circle around it, and everything will move along in proportion. If you missed the video on Ripple All Tracks, that's this one here.